So, hello again guys and welcome back. Hope you're all doing well. Today we have got an awesome looking 5-pack to go through. It is a Hot Wheels Fast and Furious 5-pack. So we've got in this pack the Custom Mustang, the Monte Carlo, the Porsche 911 GT3, the Nissan Skyline GTR and the 69 Camaro. So let's waste no time and crack it open. Right, cars are all out. Let's start things off with the Mustang in a really nice green. Really nice dark sparkly green. Nice white stripes. Chromed out front bumper there. White stripe on the side as well, which is cool. Put my hand there so we can actually get a better view of the car. Really nice. Nice wheels on there as well. So next up we have the Monte Carlo. So this was in a recent set. And yeah, so differences. There actually are differences. All the colours seem to be slightly different. The grey is a slightly different tone, the silver is a slightly different tone, and the beige is a slightly different tone. Bit strange that, but yeah, we'll focus on the one in the 5-pack. Nice steely wheels. Got that sort of weird, different body panel colour effect going on. A bit like it's just, you know, just been rebuilt. Not made it to the spray booth yet. Pretty cool. No light details or anything. I mean, the other one didn't have it either, so it's hard to say with these two, because one was like £3 and one came in a £7 pack, so I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, they do like to repeat these Fast and Furious things, I must say. But anyway, next up is the GT3, which looks awesome. Lens headlights on there, Porsche badge. Marker lights on the side. Got the GT3 RS decals on the side. Awesome spoiler on the back, which is plastic, which is a shame. Be nicer if that was actually die cast, but there we are. It still looks pretty cool. Nice wheels. Yeah, it's actually probably one of the better ones in the pack, because it's, as far as I know, not so much of a repeat, and it is a really nice one. So we'll do the R34 last for a reason, and this is the 69 Camaro. Nice decal on the side there, Camaro SS. Chromed out grille, which is nice. That's pretty cool looking. Tampos on the hood, Camaro logo there. No real light details, but it's alright. Got the stripe. I didn't even notice the stripe on the side. Huh. How did I not notice that? That's really cool. Pretty nice one, that. Now the R34 has obviously come in many varieties. These are just two random ones I have here. But again, they're both Fast and Furious series. It's interesting how many they want to bring out. But I just wanted to sort of have all three of these kind of next to each other. I'm going to have to lift. I need to get a proper camera mount that's sort of like adjustable on the fly, so it's quicker. But here are three different Nissan Skylines. I mean, they've all got their similarities, but they've all got, I think the biggest difference is the wheels. This one's got some slightly nicer paint on it, so it's slightly brighter. But yeah, it's quite interesting to have the different varieties though, I must say. Oh yeah, that one at the bottom does look so much better with all the details. But anyway, oh dear. We'll focus on the... We've had a bit of an incident here. Focus on the car in the pack. It's pretty cool. I did notice we've got rear light details, which is awesome. Do like that. That's really nice. Obviously got the iconic decals up the side there. Really nice. little badge there as well. That's really cool. Got these wheels on this one. The other two, yeah, they all have different wheels. Interesting. But yeah, that's really cool. And we also got a rather nice design on the back of the box there, so I'll definitely be cutting that off and adding it to my display there. So yeah, that's it for that 5-pack. Pretty cool, I must say. It's a kind of, I don't know, it's nice to have repeats and have varieties like that one, but at the same time it's a bit annoying to have constant repeats. I don't know. Let me know down below what you think. Do you like having the different varieties and the slightly different cars, or do you hate it and wish they had stopped doing the same cars over and over again? But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching. Be sure to hit the like, subscribe and all that nonsense, and I hope to see you in the next one. Got another 5-pack to review. Can't wait.